My name is Lou Triano. My company is called Foam Cycle. We are at Tiny Homes Greensboro, North Carolina. At this site, the good folks here had put together a program and requested a grant from the Foam Recycling Coalition for a machine to recycle styrofoam. At this facility, we installed the machine, and today is the inaugural startup. And all the good folks behind me are here, and they brought their foam from home to start this important and innovative process. And Foam Cycle is a system designed to recycle foam packaging waste and food service waste at municipal recycling drop-off centers. And there are two types of foam. There's packaging foam and coolers, stuff they call expanded foam or expanded polystyrene foam, EPS. And then there's food service foam. Things like takeout trays and meat trays and anything you would get from a restaurant or from your home. And the important aspect of this process today is to show how foam could be recycled. And through the system that we have behind us, we're going to show you how we can put this into a machine that actually extrudes the polystyrene plastic that's inside of the foam. It eliminates the air, which is 98% of the material makeup of the product, and the 2% polystyrene plastic that is extruded comes out like this. And it's warm to the touch, and it can be molded for a moment. And this then is sent and sold actually to a company in New Jersey that grinds it into pellets, and these pellets are then put through a machine and extruded to make beautiful and very ornate actually moldings. Now these moldings will come in 10-foot sections, and they're sold to picture frame companies that actually take that now and cut it into sizes and make some examples here of the actual picture frames that are made from the moldings. These frames are very unique in the aspect that if they were ever not wanted anymore, they can be sent back to us, and we'll grind this frame back into a pellet to make a new frame. So to perpetually keep this material out of the landfill forever.
Well, I am over the top excited about how this is going to affect recycling in Greensboro, because it's such an opportunity to show the community what they can do with another product to keep it from the landfill.
The FRC is the Foam Recycling Coalition. It's a program of FPI. FPI is the Food Service Packaging Institute, and we provide foam grants to help communities recycle more food service packaging foam. We're happy to support the program here, and the collaboration that's come together to make foam recycling happen in Greensboro is phenomenal. So we're here to support that, and we're glad we can provide funding to help with this densifier.
Environmental Stewardship Greensboro has had about 12 congregations throughout Greensboro who have members who have collected styrofoam products and foam and hauled them down to DART in Randleman. So Environmental Stewardship Greensboro is one of the partners. Tiny House, whose facility we're in today, is another. They had the building. They also had an interest in providing some workforce development opportunities. We also have had Emerging Ecology that is looking for solutions that are mutually enhancing to solve climate problems. Greensboro Beautiful has also been a key partner. They encouraged us to work together. They have been involved for years in starting recycling efforts that can help keep Greensboro green. The City of Greensboro has been a cooperating partner. Their staff has helped give some guidance on how this can work well along with the city's other recycling efforts.
This is a four-part consortium of money, energy, and expertise to put this together and make it work. And Emerging Ecology is a 501c3, so we're receiving all the money and sort of managing the cash flow of the project.
Well, Greensboro Beautiful is really proud to be a part of such an innovative initiative in the city of Greensboro. We've partnered with the steering committee, with the environmental groups that have been interested in preserving Greensboro's landscape. Part of our tagline is "Make it, keep it," and that's to make Greensboro beautiful and keep it beautiful. And one way of doing that is to make sure that we have things such as this foam not in our landfills, not on our street corners, and not in our waterways.
This was important to Greensboro Beautiful because recycling is part of their history. Greensboro Beautiful brought recycling to Greensboro, and then the city took it over. And that's kind of the role of a nonprofit, is to do that. We do trash and garbage analysis every year, especially during the winter when the leaves are not on the trees. We find a lot of trash throughout Greensboro, and of course there's no reason for it, and we just need to pick it up. The Clean Community analysis, when they drive through town and review that and pick up the trash that we have, really helps the community and helps to retain the beauty of Greensboro.
Not only are we cleaning up Greensboro, but we're also using the proceeds from this cleanup to help rebuild Greensboro, to put it to a good use. So we're really excited about the whole tiny house project and how this project is going to help support that.
The organizations came together to raise the money that bought the densifier, and we are excited to be able to use it for workforce development in a way that we are able to train people in a collaborative with other nonprofits as they come in for 12 weeks to work in styrofoam recycling and also help with construction of tiny houses. And we're able to pay them a minimum wage for 12 weeks while they're learning construction processes and they're learning how to actually recycle styrofoam. So we're currently located at 1310 Westgate City Boulevard. We're literally across the street from UNCG's Rec Center, so it's not hard to find. We have a recycle flag out front and an open now flag where people can find us. There's plenty of marking, and there'll be plenty of signage out there at the road as well that will show people how to come in to be able to drop off the foam.